We are glad to welcome you on the Hard Reset YouTube channel, and today I'll show how you can manage and configure the AI analysis preferences for this ieGeek ZS-GQ2 security camera. So first you will need to launch the ieGeek Cam app. Here find the camera in question. Here is mine. Open its settings, then go for the AI intelligent analysis, and here you'll need to, well, first of all, of course, buy the premium version of this app, but that's up to you. Here, as you can see, you can enable the people detection or humans detection, pet detection, car detection, packages detection, and well, I guess that will be more or less it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.